Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can add a active 3D view in a FreeCAD drawing. As you can see that I have modeled this part using the part design workbench, and I have created a orthographic drawing, and here is an isometric view. So we will learn how we can insert this isometric view in our FreeCAD drawing. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So there are the two methods to insert the view. So all you have to do is switch to your model and select this body. So here is the first option is that insert the view. So this is the default view which I have a set, and now I want to insert on my drawing. So all I will do is click on this icon and move to my drawing tab. So here you can see that my view has been inserted. Now if I off my frame, so you can see that it looks very beautiful on this drawing. And if I on my frame and if I select this view, so you can see that view 3 is added here, and here are the properties. For example, if I wanted to on the hidden line in my isometric view, so you can see that hidden line is visible. But it's look very weird due to the hidden line. So I will on my frame and select this view and make it hard hidden false. So this is the one method to insert the isometric view in a FreeCAD drawing. Now if I want to insert the view like this, so all we have to do is first give the color to our part. To give the color, select the last features, go to the appearances, and here I have selected the color yellow with respect to my isometric view. This is the color which I have selected. Now I will close it. Now I wanted to insert this view on my drawing as my isometric view. So all I have to do is select fit all, first fit your part, and now click on here, insert active view, click on it, and here you will give few more options like crop image, no background, solid background, or use 3D background. So I will prefer no background because my drawing background is white. So I will simply say okay. Now I will go to my drawing. So you can see that my view has been inserted, but it looks very small. So what I will do, I will select the active view and go its property, and I will increase the scale. Let's make it 2.5 times, and now off the frame. So you can see that how beautifully we have inserted the 3D view in a FreeCAD drawing, and here we have learned the two methods to insert it, one with colored and shaded image, and one is similar to our orthographic view and plain and simple. So we have learned both the method to insert the view, Placing the isometric view on a drawing give clear idea to the operator to read the drawing dimensions. So this is all about this tutorial, how to insert the 3D view in FreeCAD Drawing. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.